What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Pause, and I'm going to show you how to make 32 bucks a day on Clickbank using nothing but images. And this is without paid traffic, without off-page SEO, and without blogging. Because if you watch my channel, you know I hate blogging. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to get more tutorials just like this one. And you want to stay until the very end to get my free offer, the exact offer I use, my template plus how-to guide. You don't want to skip over anything here because it's everything that I've done to get my results you want to know about, okay? So here's a proof. I made 32 bucks. Now this isn't a great sum for me, but it's how I got this 32 bucks that I'm really happy about. And I can see this going for me in the future with my traffic sources, okay? Now let me show you the offer, okay? This is the offer right here. This is for a pregnancy hack, okay? So it's the title is very hypey, but what it is I know for a fact, it's a weight loss course and a natural way to boost estrogen for women to help them get pregnant, okay? Anyways, this is the offer, okay? This is my traffic source. Let me show you right here. This pin right here. As you can see, it got over 13,000 views. And if I click on see more stats, you can see I got over 300 clicks, okay? Now, most of those clicks did not, okay? Because I played around with the landing page a lot. Most of these clicks did not result in a sale, okay? I just got one sale recently because I found the winning landing page, okay? So if people click on this link over here, they're taken to this pre-sale page, okay? This is my landing pre-sale page, okay? It's very it's very generic. As you can see, the background image coincides perfectly with the background image of the offer, okay? You want to keep things congruent as possible, okay? So all the links within this post, okay? All the links within this post lead to this offer right here, okay? And that's what generated me the 32 bucks and will so for the foreseeable future, okay? Now, back in the day, you could link directly from Pinterest to an affiliate offer. Now they've become more strict with that. So I highly recommend that you use a landing page just like this one. Now, I didn't write this, okay? I did not write this post, okay? What I did was, because this is duplicate content, but it's duplicate content I can use, okay? What I did was, first thing I did to find this offer, this high converting offer, is I went to Clickbank, okay? I didn't put any niches in here, okay? What I wanted to do is find my demographic, okay? So I went to the category section over here, and I looked around for health and fitness, no, not this one. Parenting and families, and pregnancy and childbirth, because one of the big niches that I'm in is the baby shower niche, and then it gives me the top performing offer, okay? Now, when you're looking at any affiliate offer on Clickbank, you want to check out the gravity. You know, if 13 people are promoting something, that's enough for me. This one has a pretty good gravity of over 20, okay? The second thing you want to look for, if it's free traffic, then, you know, the more the better, but it doesn't have to be a great amount. It can be 10 bucks and I'll still promote it if it's free traffic. If you're doing a paid traffic, source, then I highly recommend this. This is over 30 bucks, okay? That's my recommendation. But this is a free traffic source, what I'm teaching you now, so don't worry about that. The next thing you want to look for is the affiliate page. Are they offering you an affiliate page to help you out? This offer offers an affiliate page. So if I check out the affiliate page right over here, let it load, then you'll be taken to this page, and they should give you some resources, okay? Here's a resource page. Depends on the vendor, okay? Now, I highly recommend you don't ever use the articles, okay? This is not, what I'm using here is not an article, This is an email actually that I've repurposed as an article. Okay, so if I go back here, they have articles for you to use. Okay, but don't use these because a lot of times they're not written by the vendor. These articles are a lot of times outsourced to people who don't really know or care about the market. Okay. Now, if you go to the email section, where's the email section here? Solo emails. Okay, solo emails. Go to solo email section here. Now, most of these vendors will give you email swipes to use. Like I said earlier, you want to use those as the articles. Okay. So here is I believe this email over here. I copied it and I pasted onto my landing page here, and I made sure I read it completely, and I took out any mention that it's an email, and I made it jive with this. I made it look like a post, just to put it plainly. And another thing, if you're gonna use an email as a post. And we don't care in this situation. We don't care about Google traffic. Make sure that you deny access to the Google bots so that they don't crawl your website. To do that, you want to go to your admin section. You want to go to the advanced section of Yoast SEO. Okay, Yoast SEO is a free plugin. Okay, so here we have. Says Yoast SEO. Okay, Yoast SEO, as you can see right here. You want to scroll down, go to advanced, and when it says allow search engines to show this page in search results, click no. Should search engines follow the links on this page? Click no. Okay, just no on both of these options here. This will make sure that Google does not crawl this duplicate content. Okay, so we don't care about Google in this situation because we're getting our traffic from Pinterest. You can also do this with YouTube. Okay, if you're sending YouTube traffic to this page, you can do the same thing. You can use content that's not yours and that you have permission to use, just like I have permission to use this solo ad. Okay, now if I reload this, you can see this is a video pin. I'm gonna have some tutorials down below showing you how to create a pin like this one. Actually, let me show you right now. Let me do that right now. Okay. So again, just to recap, Pinterest is a traffic source. You're gonna be using what's called on-page SEO. You don't have to build any backlinks, nothing frustrating or difficult. You just put in a little short description, okay, and you put in a title, okay, and you link back to your, again, pre-sale page, okay? And in the title and in the description, you will pepper it with keywords, your keywords, right? In this example is how to get pregnant. As you can see, this yielded a ton of traffic for me, okay? Now, like I was saying, I'm gonna show you how to create a video pin. Again, all of the things, all the tools I'm talking about so far are free. Canva, I just use the free version, okay? So first thing you want to do is go to Canva and create a Pinterest template, okay? They have Pinterest templates. Right now, the dimensions I like to use is 1500 pixels by 2000 pixels. That's my preferred Pinterest dimensions for a template, okay? Next, I'm gonna go to photo. I'm gonna put in pregnant. Let's see what this gets me. And here's a pregnant woman, a free image I can use. Now remember, I want to turn this into a video pin. I'm gonna flip this because I want to. I don't have a really good reason why. Like that. I'm gonna make the rest of this gray to fit the rest. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to background and I'm gonna choose gray if there's gray here. Very, very good. So I chose the gray background here. Now I'm gonna liven this up, spruce it up with some text. Okay. Now you always want to try to match up the text that is provided on the final page, the page where the offer exists. Okay. So I'm gonna copy this. One weird tip to reverse infertility. Okay. So I'm gonna go back here, go to text, add some text, paste it in here. Okay, I'm gonna shrink it down a bit. One weird tip to reverse infertility. So we want to stand out here. So we want to go to we're going to elements, go to stickers. Let's go to pink arrow. Just put in stickers. You don't need pink arrow, just put in stickers and you'll get a bunch of options that you can use for your pin. Okay, I'm gonna put in pink arrow there. Okay, so I played around with it and I clicked on the text here and I changed the font to B cubic. Okay, it's a nice little font I like to use sometimes. Now I want to add some more things, attention grabbers. Okay, again, you want to use stickers. Stickers are really cool and they're free to use on Canva for the most part. I'm gonna just go to the main sticker. Let me put baby. Let me see what happens if I put baby. Put stickers baby. Let's see what I get here. We got this stork. I'm gonna click on the stork. And that's about it. So you see here I have one weird tip to reverse infertility. I got these pink arrows pointing here and I got this stork. Okay, this should bring up, this should get the attention of people searching for this type of keyword. Okay, now what you want to do now is you want to download this in two different formats. You want to first download it as a video, then download it as a .png. Okay, so I downloaded the image and the video from Canva and I uploaded it to my Pinterest account. Okay, of course you want to be niche related. This is a baby shower account, which is also of course connected to pregnancies, marriages, weight loss after pregnancy, those types of categories, markets I should say. Okay, so very simply in the add a destination link, you're gonna wanna put your pre-sale page. Okay, put your pre-sale page in there. One second, where are you? Put your pre-sale page right here. Okay, and then you want to add some tags. Pregnancy, fit pregnancy. You know, all the related hashtags and categories that you can place your pregnancy pin in, right? Pregnancy style, like that. Okay, for your title you want to put in your keyword rich headline. Okay, so and let's put in learn how to get pregnant naturally without drugs. Okay, and then put in your description. Okay, there you go. Then I'm gonna put it in the proper category, how to get pregnant, like that, and publish. There you go, that's it. Okay, now another thing you have to consider when working with Pinterest is I got almost 10,000 followers on my baby shower account, and you really have to pin on a daily basis. Okay, I use this tool called Tailwind right here. I just drag and drop images onto this little scheduler here, and it will post it for me at the optimal times during the day when the people on my account are the most active. Okay, now when you use Tailwind, you want to add other people's pins. That's the majority. Most of these pins you see here, they're other people's pins. They're not my pins. So every day, if I'm posting automatically 25 different pins, out of those 25, 3 of those will be mine. Okay, the rest will be other people. Okay, so this is a very great traffic source. I can't stress this enough. And as you can see, it yields profit. Okay. Usually I use Pinterest for my own products, but I've been dabbling with different affiliate sources and different affiliate products that are related to my market in one way or another, and it's yielding good results. And you can do this too. Make sure you check out the link below, get all the templates, get all of the tools I have for you, and make sure you take action today. And always don't forget to like and subscribe to get more tutorials and content just like this. Okay, be good and take care. Bye-bye.